Good morning, students. In last class, we completed multiples and factors, right? I hope everyone understand. Now, today, the new topic is odd and even numbers. Okay. First of all, we are going to learn some more examples here. Okay. Let's concentrate. Odd and even numbers. Okay. I hope you everyone know that what is odd number. But one more time, revise. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. They are end in what? 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Always the end number, the last numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and you know that these are all the numbers not divisible by 2. Now even numbers are divisible by 2. They end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means end with any number, any big number, 4 digit, 5 digit, any big number. Only check the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means that is an even number. Now which of these numbers are even? Check it, only check the last number. 4 is, it will be 2, so this is even number. Okay, and check it, 52, last number is 2, again this is possible with the 2 table, so even number. 80, again the last digit is 0, so possible. Here the last digit is 8, so this also possible. Okay, only check the last digit, don't check the all the number. Now which of these numbers are odd? So here check it, 6 is the even number, 12 means 12, 2 is the even number, but 23, so last digit is 3, 3 is the odd number because 3 is not in the table 2. 30, not possible. Why? Because this is even, because last digit is 0, so here last digit is 1, so this is odd number. Here the last digit is 9, so this is also a odd number. 680, not possible because the last number is, only check the last number, the last number is 8, that is even number because table 2. 437, check the last number is 7, 7 not in the table 2. Okay, and some more examples here. Alan makes a 3-digit number. How many digit number? 3-digit number. All the digits should be even, all the digits are should be even. The sum of the digits is 12. The sum means what? The total. So when you add the any 3-digit number should be 12. What could be Allen number? Lot of numbers possible, like 2 to 8. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4, 4 plus 8 is 12. 2, 4, 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 4, 4, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So maybe more numbers also possible, like here you can get 642, 624, lot of numbers possible. One more number, one more question. Bruno makes a 3-digit number using all the digits 3, 4 and 7. 3, 4 and 7. What is the rules here? His number is even, his number is even. The 100 digit is more than the, first of all I read it here for your understanding, this is hundreds place, tens place and the units place, right? Ones place. His number is even, so here 3, 4, 7, which is the even number? 4, so 4 should be in the even, should be in the ones place, that means units place. And the 100 digit is more than 3, the 100 digit more than 3, that means 4 already finished, so more than 3, the 100 digit should be 7, so remaining what now? 3, so 3 should be in the tens place. Easy. Okay, now look at the next question. One more question here, concentrate. So Henry makes a 4-digit odd number. Now odd number means the last number should be odd number. That means like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So sum of the digits is 10. Sum of the digits is 10. The 1000 digit and the unit digits are same. That means 1000 digits and the unit digits are same. The 100 digit E and the tens digits are the same. The 100 digit is 2, that means the 100 digit is 2, and that means 10 digit is also 2. 2 plus 2 how much? 4 finish, right or no? I need what? Total should be 10. So 4 finish means still remaining what? 6 numbers. So 6, which 2 numbers? Because why I write it same number? Because the beginning they said that units place and the thousand place same. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now the next one. So here now look at here, now you know that already. Question number 1, which of these numbers are even? Okay, look at it, 9 is the odd number, 1 is the odd number because not in the table 2, but 26 is the even number, right? So 26 is the answer. 33 is the odd number because the last number is 3, not divisible by 2. 57 is the odd number, 7. 187 also odd number. 2002 is the even number, only last number is 2. So he asking, explain to your partner how you know. Why? Because the last digits are multiple of 2, or you can write it divisible by 2. Then here question, Henry's makes a 3-digit number. Henry makes a 3-digit number. All the digits are odd. The sum of the digits is even. Sum of the digits is 7. What? So that means all the numbers should be odd numbers. Look at here, 1, 3, 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 1, 5, 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 313, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 511, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So that means take all the odd numbers, check it, when you add all the three numbers should be 7. Now the last question number 3 is a homework for you. Now look at the last question. Sara makes a 4-digit even number. Even number means the last digit means unit place should be even. So the sum of the digits is 4 only. That means when you add all the 4 numbers should be 4. The 1000 digits and the unit digits are same. The 100 digit and the tens digits are same. The 100 is 0. So if the 100 is 0 means 10 digits also 0 as per the question. Now 0 0 finish. Total should be 4. That means now 1000 digits and the units should be same. That means 2 plus 2 equal to 4. That means add now 2 plus 0 how much 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And your homework is page number 8, question number 3. I hope you understand this class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.